Okay, I'm going to finish this off with just a little bit of a change to the backdrop. Since our backdrop is white right now, I'm going to go into the backdrops tab up here. Notice that costumes changes to backdrop when you go into the backdrop section. And I'm just going to draw a little rectangle. Picked a color that was kind of looks like the ground, and that just gives it a little bit more of a feel like he's on land somewhere. So and so I think I'd want to end with giving the idea or the concept of this is something that's like a starter project that can be adjusted based upon what one's goals are as a programmer. And, you might challenge somebody to see if they could make can you design this in such a way that the lizard actually catches these bugs faster? Could you design it such that the bugs are actually moving around on the screen rather than being in a stationary location? Can you make it so that the rocks change their location over time? So there's a lot of different ways to vary this up, but I hope that this brought some ideas and some programming concepts to mind as you went through this video series, and appreciate any comments that you might have or questions after having viewed the whole series. All right, that is it for A Sprite Comes to Life.